Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install PostgreSQL 18 version on Windows 11 operating system. To download the software, in Google search box, type the PostgreSQL, then go on this PostgreSQL org site. And thereafter click on this download. Here you need to click on Windows. Thereafter download installer. Then you can get this all version. There I'm going to download there 18 version on Windows 64. So let's click on this all download, and there you can see the file is now currently downloading. PostgreSQL 352 MB is the size. Now you can see this PostgreSQL that's downloaded. Let's click on this join folder, and thereafter simply you need to click on this exe file. Let's double click. PostgreSQL 18 version 64-bit operating system, that's for. Come from Enterprise TV Corporation. Click on yes button, and here the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable this required. So this download and setup progress. Here installation wizard that's come. Let's click on next. So installation directory, this seek program files. Let's click next. Or there Postgre server PC admin command or stack builder, or this if you want then you can download or install. So this unchecking, and now let's click on this next data directory. So super user is Postgres. You need to give the password. Now giving the correct password, let's click on next. This is the port 5432, and here this is default that's selected. That's fine, default. And now click on this next, and this here PostgreSQL is now installing inside the Windows machine. Now you can see completing the Postgre setup. Let's click on this finish, and thereafter the next is let's open there on this search box right there PC admin. So PC admin 4 app is there. Let's click on this. Tools for Postgre. So this is now waiting for PC admin 4 to start. Now you can see this here PC admin. Thereafter query tells this default workspace. Let's click on this server or double click. Then you need to give here your password for the Postgres. Then after giving password, then click on this OK. Now this is connected there. Here you can see this is database 1, Postgres is there. Now you can go on this schema, and inside schema this you can see public connection, and this here you can get this tables section. Now you can create the tables by right click there, then go on this create and click on this create table. Then you need to give the or table name. Let's give tab 1, and this here Owner is Postgres, this is schema, and table space pg default you can select. And now let's click on this save. So tab 1 is created. So this is how we can install Postgres 18 on Windows 11 operating system. So I hope guys this video is though helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.